Okay, we're at the stage of the job now where we can put some of these studs in. Now, there was some small studs right along the left-hand side as you sit on the tractor where the injectors were. There were some small studs along that side there because the housings dropped lower for the injectors. There was one long one that sat up the back, and all the rest were the same length right through. So what we're going to do now is just run through and put the studs back in, and you'll see on the studs there's a round end and a flat end. The flat end goes out, and I've got a little stud. It's just a Toledo brand stud removing tool, and as you turn it, it clamps one way or another. They're only cheap. I bought them from the bearing service, but they work really well. So you put the short ones in first, just to double up tight. There's enough on there for two. The holes have been all cleaned out. Down there for the moment. And these actually grab the bolt where there's no thread. So at this time, it's easy to remove any little bits of Loctite that get around the studs before it sets. Save scratching it there later. Loctite's a wonderful thing. I used to use Stag a lot. I haven't seen Stag much lately. I suppose there's other products around now. All the old blokes will know what Stag was. There's me drop for this clip. Pretty poor job if I don't drop something, I reckon. Not having much of a go. Come down and get that. Clean up the Loctite. Bit of breeze wafting in the door, so the Nikon won't be liking that with the camera. There's our little recording devices. We've got to have them hanging around nowadays to get the sound to work while we're waiting on a bit of new stuff. Don't go filling the camshaft up full of Loctite. That'd be enough to give you the shits if it did, wouldn't it? From this morning when I did the cylinder head valve to when I come back to do the studs, I've actually slashed 8 acres of grass and done a bit of mowing and make hay while the sun shines, I think it is. Okay, you can get the gist of it. I'm going to drop away, do the studs, and come back when they're done. And there we go. By the wonders of modern technology, we have all the head studs in. I think they're in the right place. The longer thread was there, I believe, from memory. Anyway, we'll see. I've tidied it all up. Now, I'll probably wait till next weekend to put the head on, let all this set properly. I have new cam followers to go through. At the back of the engine here, there's a tacho drive. The old cam has a tacho drive, a little square up the back of it. The new one doesn't, so I'll have to organise that as yet. The lift pump goes on and a few things like that. So once we have the head on, I've been leaving these oil pipes on until the head's on. If you remember, there was a sneaky little one in behind here that everyone forgot about, so I've been leaving the pipes. Everything else is right to go. I'll wrap it up for the week now, and yeah, I'll get organised. I'll get these other parts organised, and I've still got to clean the tappet cover, all the rocker gear and all that sort of thing, so I'll go and clean that and I'll come back when that's done, but yep, maybe next week.